Hey you and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to remove an indicator in TC2000. So the first step that we're going to do is search right here in the symbol list for a stock that we want to trade. So let's say we want to trade right here on Rush Street Interactive. That's fine. And now we want to add an indicator. So we click on the plus icon and then we search here for RSI, Relative Strength Index. And then we click on indicator and now we are having here the indicator. But let's say I'm done with this indicator and I want to delete this indicator. It's so simple guys, because you can select right here on the RSI 14, right here, and then do remove. And we can also click here on the cross and then we do right here yes, and then we deleted the indicator too. So those are the two ways how to remove an indicator in TC2000. So hopefully this was exactly the video I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.